अस्सलाम वालेकुम सबको। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब लोग इंशाल्लाह ठीक होंगे। आज एक बार फिर ABA फैमिली ऑफिशियल के इंट्रो के साथ यहाँ पर आपके साथ हूँ। अगर आप ABA फैमिली ऑफिशियल के बताए हुए रूल्स को फॉलो करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट मोर देन 500 व्यूज़, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैंने भी अपनी वीडियो में व्यूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा हासिल किए। सो थैंक यू सो मच ABA फैमिली ऑफिशियल, बहुत अच्छा काम आप कर रहे हैं। अगर आप लोग गिव अवे का ये सिलसिला कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं तो ABA फैमिली ऑफिशियल चैनल पर विज़िट कीजिए और उनकी लेटेस्ट वीडियो को देखिए। वहाँ पर जो नवंबर का इनका सिलसिला है, या नवंबर में जो चेन चलेगी इनकी गिव अवे की, उसको उन्होंने वहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन किया है। बहुत ईजी तरीका है। सो वंस अगेन आई वांट टू से थैंक यू सो मच ABA फैमिली ऑफिशियल, और स्टे ब्लेस्ड। तो अब आते हैं अपनी आज की वीडियो की तरफ। जैसा कि कल मैंने केक्सिकल की वीडियो को अपलोड किया था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक मिला, थैंक यू सो मच। एक दो रिक्वेस्ट थी कि इस वीडियो को मैं इंग्लिश ऑडियो के साथ अपलोड करूं, तो आज आपके साथ ये इंग्लिश में अपलोड होगा।
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Street Fix by NAF. I'm me, and today I'm going to be doing a voiceover for my mother's cream cheese cakesicles video in English. As you can see, my mother made these cakesicles, and guys, believe me, whenever you're gonna eat it, you're gonna be a fan for it for sure. If you're an order worker, this is gonna be the best gift for you because they are so very attractive and tasty. They're gonna be the best sellers of your shop. There are like so many ways to decorate it, and they're beautiful on their own. And yes, let's get to the video. So the most important thing you need is butter crumbled cake. So this is the same cake as used in the cake pops. So if you want the recipe, go ahead and watch that video. So basically you're gonna take a butter cake and you're gonna crumble it until it's very nice and crumbly as shown in the picture. Next thing you need is cream cheese. It's gonna make the flavor excellent. Then you need melted chocolate to cover it or coat it and decorate it. And then you need a cake pop mold to shape it. You can also use your hands, but it's not going to be that accurate. Now we're going to cover the mold with the chocolate, and you're just going to coat every single side and make sure the layers are even so that it doesn't break when you take it out. So as you can see, my mother is just like putting the chocolate with a spoon, and then she's going to do it again and again, and then she's going to tilt the mold so that it covers every single side. As you can see, she's putting 2 tablespoons of chocolate in each, cakesicle mold so that it's not underfilled or overfilled and it's equally coated with chocolate. Now clean the mold if there's excess chocolate on the outside, and then you're just gonna tilt the mold so that chocolate covers each and every side, as mom is doing right now, and you can see that. So when the chocolate is evenly coated, put it in the freezer to let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes, and in the meanwhile we will prepare our cakesicle filling. Now we're going to put the cream cheese in the crumbled butter cake, and this is the same cake as used in the cake pop video. So if you want the recipe, the link will be in the description below. So this is a 1 pound cake, and you're going to add 4 to 5 pieces of cream cheese in it. Mix it well so that it turns into a cakeish paste kind of form so that you can mold it easily. After mixing well, it should turn into a nice paste kind of form. As you can see here, it's holding its shape and it's not crumbly anymore. After your filling is ready, take the mold out of the freezer in which we put the chocolate in. As you can see, it's really very hard and it's holding its shape very well. Now we're going to put the cake filling in this mold. Note that we're not going to fill the cake to the top because we have to put chocolate on it so that it looks like a proper cakesicle. So you use your fingers to, like mom is doing right now, to make it even, and repeat this process throughout for the other cakesicles as well. In this video you'll find 2 methods on how to make cakesicles. So the first one is like freezing the chocolate, and the second one is to dip the cake right in the chocolate. Now we're going to insert ice cream sticks in the cakesicle, and in the mold itself there is a little hole thing so that you can put your ice cream stick in it so that it sticks inside the cakesicle. Once the ice cream sticks are set, put this mold in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes so that it hardens, and then we can put our melted chocolate on top. After 10 minutes, take the mold out of the freezer, put melted chocolate on it and apply it evenly so that it turns into a proper cakesicle. Keep repeating this process until you've filled all of the cakesicles, and then you're going to put it in the freezer again for 15 minutes so that it sets. So the moment we've all been waiting for, or specifically me, I have been waiting for. So as you can see, our cake pops are set and they look so beautiful and cute and ready to eat. So if your cake pop has a bit of chocolate on the sides, as you can see right here, just scrape that off with the sharp knife, and you can use that for decorating other cupcakes and cakes. And don't waste it because it's chocolate, and chocolate is so nice. By following the method as shown in the video, take the cakesicles out. And if you have any cakesicles that have a bit of excess chocolate on the outside, scrape them off to give it a proper finish. Now it's time to decorate. So you can decorate it as the way you want. You can drizzle chocolate on it or express your creativity by, creating a theme and put sprinkles on it. And there's still just so many ways to decorate it. As you can see, they're finally decorated and they look so cute. Alright, here comes the second method. So I'm just gonna give you a little summary on it. In this method, you're going to fill the cakesicle mold with the cakesicle batter, and you're going to put it in the freezer for 20 to 25 minutes so that it hardens. Then you're going to take it out after it's hard, and you're going to dip it in chocolate, and you're going to cover it evenly. Then you're going to put it on a butter paper and put it in the freezer again so the chocolate hardens. As you can see, they're evenly filled. Now we're going to put it in the freezer so that it cools down and hardens, and the chocolate is evenly coated on it to give it a proper fine finish. Before putting in the freezer, make sure to put the ice cream stick in it first. So here the ice cream stick was a bit, lengthier and longer, so my mom is going to cut them. So you're going to cut them as well and, insert them inside your cakesicle mold. If your ice cream stick is touching the mold, like the extension as shown there, it's perfect because now your ice cream stick won't be lifted and it will be in a proper shape and it will be nice and plain. After the ice cream sticks are in, put it in the freezer for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, take your cakesicles out of the mold and then you're going to dip it in chocolate. So before dipping, you make sure that you put your chocolate in a deep hollow container like a glass right here. So when you've coated it, drain the excess chocolate right in the glass, and then you're going to put your cakesicle on a parchment paper, wax paper or butter paper, whatever you call it. Okay, so ready all of your cakesicles just like this, and being honest, this is my favorite method because when it's cooled down and you take a bite out of it, the chocolate comes right in your mouth and does not break and fall apart. After you've coated your cakesicles, put them in the freezer again for like 10 to 15 minutes so that the chocolate coating hardens, and then you're going to cover your, decorate your cakesicles with chocolate and express a theme or, however you like it. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do like, share to your friends and subscribe, and do share your feedback after you try it on my mother's Instagram or Facebook page known as Sweet Fix by NAF. Take care of yourself and see you again. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.